Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I want to do small experiment to see if one of the battery from GeForce S41, I think I have before, I just remove it and it should fit to this T6F model. Looks like it's exactly the same size. This one is like this one is from GeForce 499 watt hours, so it's a bit bigger inside, and this one is from ONEBOT. It's 374 watt hours battery. The connection over here looks very similar. Just on GeForce some plate is missing, looks like. Over here the full plate, and I think it will work. So it's a pretty much generic battery. So if you worry about battery or want to buy extra battery, I want to show you that it should be no problem. Just you can buy one from AliExpress or Amazon, and it should fit. Just make sure it has the same connectors. Let me show you and let's try it out to see if it actually works. Okay, so I'm gonna insert, I already removed the original battery, and I'm gonna insert this battery from GeForce, because GeForce also use the generic batteries, and most of this Chinese battery, like most of the bikes, like even the electric XP or any bicycle like this type, they are all made in China. Very similar batteries. It's easy to find. You don't have to buy brand. It's all overcharging you, like electric XP overcharging you, so you can buy much cheaper battery if you need to. So make sure you lock it on the button actually. Okay, and you just slide it in perfectly, and now you can lock it in. I have a bunch of key from all these bicycles I have, so you can lock it in. You don't have to, but I'm gonna lock it in. Yep, it's lockable as well, so the battery stays inside very well. And let's see if it's closed. Yep, it's in. Then make sure it's locked. So the battery in, so let's turn on and see if it actually works. Yep, it works. It's a 98% battery. It's kind of hard to see. 98% battery charge. And this is GeForce inside, and this one is original from ONEBOT. So if you have any question about battery, if you can, yes, you can replace it easily and cheaper. You don't have to buy original, but I think ONEBOT will sell them as well. They told me they should have them in stock in January, so it's a really good budget bike. And I believe you can buy bigger battery, and this one is like almost 500 watt hours. You can buy probably 48 by 15 or 20 and still insert inside, as long it's the same size. And even this battery, and most of them have less cells, so this one is probably up to here, so it's, you can have probably at least 15 amp battery inside if you need longer range. It's one of the greatest deal, I think. ONEBOT T6F. I will post link in description. I was told they're gonna be in stock probably in the middle of December or end of December. They ship them out very quickly from Amazon. Came completely assembled, no scratches whatsoever. The color is beautiful, and I think it's one of the best buy. Look how shiny. The seat is comfortable. LCD is very good, like very clear. Come with horn, you cannot really beat it. And let's see if it actually works. So I'm gonna put on the level 3, and yep, it works. So no problems with the battery replacing or just have extra battery. I can always put one in my back, so I have a over double range now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later. Bye.